Let's talk a bit about some of the smart devices like the Google Home and the Alexas and things of the world and stuff. How should we be optimizing for these devices, for these much longer tail search terms? Intent is a big part of it because obviously if I don't have to think about what I'm typing, if I say, hey, what's the best SEO firm in Framingham, Massachusetts that accepts B2B clients? Right? That's a very long search term, and there's a lot more rich intent in there than best SEO firm. Right? That's the intent is unclear. So how do we optimize for that to take advantage of all these different types of intents that people are going to say, physically speak into their smart home device, their watch, that people are talking to their refrigerators now? I mean,
Yeah, no, absolutely. My car,
exactly.
right? I mean, watch, right? I've got them
Yep.
all those devices. So I think one of the big things people have to realize is when you're dealing with Alexa or the Google Assistant running on Google Home or something running on your smartphone, and you use a voice query and you get a voice response, is you get one answer.
Right.
And you know this, right? This is the big thing. And most of the time, the great majority of that time, when it's a Google Assistant answer, they're drawing that from what they serve as featured snippets in
Right.
the regular search results. So the big thing to do is learn how to generate featured snippets. But let's back up and look at this from a Google perspective and how they're thinking about it. It used to be that when they serve regular search results, if the first answer in the search results wasn't perfect, but the user got what they wanted in position 2 or 3, that was actually still a good result for the user. They don't have that opportunity in the
Right.
voice environment. They only get one answer. And I happen to think that they're investing an enormous amount of machine learning technology.
Yes.
What's your take on that?
I think you're absolutely right, and I think one of the things that marketers in particular are neglecting is the data they already have. So we've been doing a couple of projects mining people's CRM data, like the stuff that people call in or email in. Hey, I've got a problem with this product or service. If you mine that data and you pull out the way people are talking to you about your stuff on your website, that is rich search content to fulfill intent, right? Because when somebody searches for, SD card class 10, what they're really asking about is how do I have a card that doesn't cause frame rate issues when I'm recording a video or setting up a security camera or things like that. And so if you mine your CRM data and everybody's, you got a whole pile of emails that say, hey, I've got jittery video, I've got this problem. Now you can go back and reinfuse your content that's publicly searchable and indexed with that intent to say, hey, all Q&A, my video's stuttering. Okay, you need a class 10 card and things like that. And I don't see companies doing that. People are sitting on, these years or decades of CRM data, and they just kind of let it sit out there and just cost money, it's storage costs, and be a security risk, as opposed to saying, let's use this to inform search and marketing and communications.